Assalamualaikum student, welcome to science class. Hope all of you are very well with your family. Today we are going to complete our lecture 5, which is related on two extreme weather condition. Our first extreme weather is tornado and second one is cyclone. At first we will learn the definition of tornado, characteristics of tornado, and last of all we will learn about the effects of tornado. So let's learn the definition of tornado. Tornado is a narrow, violent, funnel-shaped column of spiral winds. Here you can see a picture of a tornado. This is the tail of the tornado and this is the cumulonimbus cloud, and the wind always moves in a spiral motion. Now let's read the characteristics of tornado. The first characteristics of tornado is the wind extends downwards from a cumulonimbus to the ground. This is the wind and this is the cumulonimbus wind and this is the tail of the tornado. So this tail will always touch to the ground. With ground. Our second characteristics is the size of it is usually less than 1 kilometer. So clearly we can see that the size of a tornado is not so big. It's very small storm. Now we will learn about the effects of tornado. Tornado can remove our house roofs. It can also collapse our exterior walls of poor building structure. And the most devastating effects of tornado that it can be cause a severe crop destruction. So these are the three effects of tornado. So students, now we are going to learn about cyclone. At first we are going to learn the definition of cyclone. Then we will learn about the reason of cyclone. So what is cyclone? Cyclone is a large low pressure system and a revolving storm that consists of numerous thunderstorms. This is the definition of cyclone. And the reason of cyclone is cyclone are created by getting heat and water vapor from the warm Indian Oceans and the Bay of Bengal. Here you can see a picture which can describe very easily how cyclones are created. This is the ocean sea level, or this is the ocean. Sunlight heated the ocean water, and the water vapor goes up to the sky. So here low pressure created in this part of the ocean, and the other cold air which are rushed to this low pressure area and create a circulatory movement of wind. So this is the main reason of creating cyclone. Now we are going to learn about the characteristics of cyclone and the effects of cyclone. Three characteristics of cyclone. At first we will talk about the size of a cyclone. Then we will talk about what things it bring in our country, and last of all what type of other extreme weather it can be created due to cyclone. So at first the size of cyclone is 500 to 800 kilometer. This is our first characteristics. Then cyclone hit our country bringing extremely powerful winds and torrential rain. And last characteristics is strong surge can created by cyclone. Now we will talk about the effects of cyclone. The first effects is devastating inundation caused by strong surge. Inundation means flood. So we can also say that the devastating flood caused by storm surge. Now last effect is Strong surge associated with high tide washed away everything in the coastal area. So these are the characteristics and effects of cyclone. This is the end of our lecture 5, and today we also finished our chapter 11. Thank you.